Hello everyone, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to export your project as MP4 in Premiere Pro. To get started, press Ctrl M to open the Export Settings dialog box. Or you can also open it by going to File, Export, and select Media. At this dialog box, you can look at the output preview. And to export the video as MP4 format, select H.264 for the correct format. For the video preset, it's recommended to select the Match Source High Bitrate. This preset matches the output video to the core source settings such as frame rate, resolution, and etc. Here you can see the estimated file size. Or you might want to select any other preset such as YouTube 720 pixels high definition, Twitter 720 pixels high definition, or any other preset according to your need. Or you might also want to adjust the frame size to your liking. Then click the output name to give a name for the output file, and decide the location on your computer storage. And finally, click the export button and wait for the rendering and encoding process to finish. That's it. That's all for this tutorial. If you like tutorials like this, hit the subscribe button for more future uploads from Kipo Art Studio. And as always, thanks for watching this video and see you.